The Canon PIXMA Pro-200 is a professional wireless inkjet photo printer designed for photographers, artists, and creative studios. It delivers vibrant color accuracy, flexible media handling, and user-friendly controls for gallery-quality photo prints. Professional 8-color dye-based ink system. Equipped with an enhanced 8-color dye-based ink system, the Pro-200 produces rich, vibrant colors with smooth gradations. This ensures consistent, professional quality photo prints that truly reflect your creative vision. Fast, high-quality photo printing. Despite its professional output, the printer is fast and efficient, delivering high-quality bordered A3 plus prints in approximately 90 seconds. This makes it suitable for creative workflows where speed and quality are equally important. Wide media and borderless printing support. The Pro-200 supports a wide range of paper types and sizes. You can print borderless photos up to 13 hours set to 19, or create custom prints up to 13 and 39, giving you complete creative freedom. Compact and studio-friendly design. Designed with space efficiency in mind, this printer features a compact and sleek design that fits easily into home studios or professional workspaces without sacrificing performance. 3-inch built-in LCD display. The 3-inch LCD screen allows you to quickly check ink levels, access printer settings, and perform maintenance tasks. This at-a-glance control helps maintain consistent print quality with minimal effort. Professional Print and Layout (PPL) software. Canon's Professional Print and Layout (PPL) software simplifies the printing process with an intuitive interface. It automatically selects optimal print settings, letting you focus more on your artwork and less on technical adjustments. Wireless and network printing. The printer supports Wi-Fi and network connections, allowing you to print easily from computers and compatible devices without cable clutter, making it ideal for modern creative environments. Overall, the Canon PIXMA Pro-200 is an excellent choice for creatives who demand vibrant color accuracy, large format borderless printing, and smart workflow tools. It's a powerful photo printer built to meet professional standards from Canon.